Hello my monarchs, this week I did these blue flower color nail set. Continue on watching to see how I did them. Starting off with my Saviland Gel-X kit I got from Amazon. I'll leave the link down below. Got my nail tips pre-measured, and now using my electric nail filer to file them down. Time for my actual nails to be filed down. Dusting off all that residue from filing down. The kit of course came with nail glue and also the UV lamp. Look closely as to how I apply the nail glue onto the nail tip, as well with how I apply the tip onto my nail. First nail done, now continuing doing the same method to the rest of my nails. So these are just the nail tips. Use my nail tip cutter to cut the tips to the length I prefer. Filing the sides and the top to be straight. Using my buffer to buff out the shine of the nail tips. Time to apply the nail polish. Using this sparkly blue color in the number 963, I got this nail polish from Dollar Tree. Applying that color to my thumb and ring finger. Applying this sky blue color from Sally Hansen in the name Hard Bitten, number 365, applying that only to my pointer finger. Last color is the Sally Hansen in the name Bear It All number 169, and applying that only to my middle and pinky finger, which are the only ones left. For my flower, I'm using my dotting tool as well as using a white nail polish as the base and then using that same sky blue color on top. My dotting tool has two different sizes. I'm using the bigger size on the white color, and then on the sky blue I'm using the small dot. Apply my gel top coat to the nails that only have a solid color first, and then the flower nails, curing them of course after. I felt that the flowers were missing something, so with a black nail polish, I applied a center black dot to each. Now for my final step is applying my cuticle oil to all my nails. Now, let me know what y'all think of this nail set. Thank you all so much for watching. It means the world to me. Every like, comment, and subscriber. Let me know in the comments below if y'all want me to try out a kit or have any nail inspo you want me to do. Thank you guys very much. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.